Hello everyone, we are going to see about RESTful APIs with Express.js. Creating a RESTful API with Express.js involves defining routes and handling HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete, etc. to perform CRUD operation on resource. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a RESTful API on an Express.js application. I have created an express an index.js. First, I want to require the necessary thing. First, express equal to require express const body parser equal to require body parser and then const mongoose equal to require mongoose. Next, I want to create an express application. Create an instance of the express application. Const app equal express. Next, connect to MongoDB. Connect your MongoDB database using Mongoose. After that, we want to set up middleware using body parse middleware to parse the request body. App.use body parser dot URL extended false. App.use body parser dot JSON. Next, want to create a Mongoose schema and model for your resource. Define a Mongoose schema and model for your resource. Now I am going to create, for example, todo. Const todo schema equal to new mongoose dot schema. In this I am going to have a title of type string and then completed and completed of type boolean, and then I have to create a model. Const todo equal to mongoose dot model todo todo schema. Next, want to define a router handler. To define router handler to perform CRUD operations on your resource. First, I am going to create a route to get all todos. App.get slash todos async request response. Say that I'm going to have a try catch. And say that const 2d is equal to await todo dot find rest dot json todos. If in case any error, then rest dot status of 500 dot send error. Next, want to create a route. To create a new to do, app.post title request dot body dot title completed request dot body dot completed await to do dot save rest dot status dot rest dot now to create test set create now I am going to create a route to get a single to do route to get a single to do app dot get slash to do id async request comma response try to do dot find by id request dot pronounce dot id const if not to do then we want to return res dot status of 404 dot send to do not found. If to do is there, then we want to send rest dot json to do. rest.js on to do. Next, want to catch error if anything not works. Rest.status 500 dot send error. Next, I'm going to create a route to update a to do. For that, app dot put slash to do's id async request comma response. Inside that, try catch if any error. Restore status 500 and send error. To update, first const to do equal to await to do dot find by id and update request dot params dot id comma request dot body and then new true. If not to do, then we want to send a return request, return response status 400, and we want to send then rest.js on to do. And then next I'm going to create a route to delete a to do. App.delete to do's slash id async request comma response const to do equal to await to do dot find by id and delete request dot params dot id. If no to do, then we want to send and then I want to send response dot send to do deleted successfully. After that, I want to start the server. For that, const port equal to 3000 app.listen port console log server is running on http localhost port Now if I run this node index, now I am going to create a to do in using postman. For that I will change this to post and the URL http localhost 3000 to do's, and in the body and we want to change this to raw. In this we want to create, first one is title, welcome to Express.js, and then completed false. Now if I send this, see we are getting the value. Now if I go to compass, MongoDB compass, and if I refresh this, see the to do is, and see I am getting the value welcome to Express, and the completed is false and then ID. Like this we want to create a to do. Now I will create another to do Express.js series, and this to true. If I send this, see now also it was created. If I refresh this now, see I am getting two values. Now I will show you how to get the to do values. Just we want to change the post to get, and if I run this, send this, see we are getting two values. If I want to get only one value, just copy the ID and slash and send this ID. See I am getting welcome to Express.js. Now if I want to update Express.js, for that copy this ID and paste this and change get to put and update changes hello all, and if I send this, see hello all Express.js series. Now if I refresh this, see it has changed to hello all Express.js series. Now if I want to delete this, go to delete, and if I send this, see to do deleted successfully. Now if I go this and refresh, see it has deleted successfully. Like this we want to use RESTful APIs and create a CRUD operation. Thank you.